In Chinese medicine, our body synchronizes and reflects what the nature is like, and whatever we have in the nature can nourish us in different parts. The fun fact that we have actually, it's kind of infamous. So the beginning of acupoints or acupuncture is actually not only therapeutic, it's actually a torturing method for the prisoner, especially when TCM become national knowledge or school. In the ancient time, a lot of times, where can we experience that? On people, it will be the prisoner. They will use needle, stone, or any sharp object to poke the prisoner and to see how they react. So this is actually documented in some of the classics. So this will be one of the fun facts that I like to share. The second fun fact is that the biggest part of Chinese medicine is gynecology and obstetrician. Why? Because that in ancient China, having the offspring or passing down the torch is so important. So the most important school of TCM is actually focused on women and children. And it's only very later, like the most recent 200-300 years ago, they dedicate the study on the male physiology and male biology in TCM. I think Chinese medicine is a knowledge that really supports women and children. The third one is that the most classic on herbology in TCM, a lot of it actually is more mythology instead of true science. Although we do have a lot of science in it, but a lot of it is more mythology, like using virgin's urine to heal, using human blood to promote the blood in you. Those are more mythology. However, trust me, we don't use that. So if you go to your TCM doctor, don't ask them for the urine or blood because they are illegal and we don't use it. We have much better herbs that we can use that are safe and effective. The fourth one is that in TCM, we use a lot of animal parts, such as deer antler. So because in Chinese medicine, blood and flesh, they are the one that promote our emotion. For instance, a lot of people that they're being sick, they are fighting a chronic illness, you can see them, they are depressed. And that depression can be functionally depressed or emotionally depressed. So a lot of time we'll use like anything that contains flesh and blood, which can be even beef, will be used as a TCM as well in a case like that. The fifth fun fact of TCM is that we use a lot of plants, and a lot of time the general rule is that we use the flower for any illness that is above the neck. We use the leaves and branches for the extremity. We use the stem for anything that involves in the trunk. And then this could be one single herb, such as mulberry. We use the fruit for anything that is more internal organ, like reproductive organ, brain function. We use the mulberry leaf for anything that is more on the limbs. And we use the mulberry tree bark for the skin issue. And we use the mulberry stem for anything that is more of the trunk or more internal medicine. Because in Chinese medicine, our body synchronizes and reflects what the nature is like, and whatever we have in the nature can nourish us in different parts. Hopefully, these fun facts can help you want to have more curiosity of Chinese medicine, because this is a medicine that has been around for thousands of years. And look at how many people that speak Chinese. Most of us are nourished by TCM, and we've been having good lives. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.